See, man.
I'm recording it right now.
What do you need that with?
That right there in the back.
Yes?
Yeah. Don't turn around, Bert.
What?
Don't turn around.
Is he looking?
I don't know. Stop. Look at it. Look at it. Hey, come on, Bert. Can you do it? Hey, the bad part about every time he stops, they're sticking up and can't see them. Joe! What's wrong? What's wrong?
Run down the road back. We'll listen for it. We'll listen to it.
Yeah. That's one back here, every time he stops, he was giving up to just sleep. Huh?
I see.
Huh?
What is it?
Oh, well,
What you do?
see what I do.
It sounds like this.
I didn't hear him back. Give us some gas. See what happens. What?
Yeah, you better go. You're a mechanic.
You better park that thing, dude. For real. Have a good weekend, Joe.
Yeah, you too. Take care.
Yeah, you won't park that.